Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up with the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start keeping track of your finances all in one place. How do you actually go ahead and sign up with the NerdWallet app? So, first things first, let's go ahead and install the NerdWallet app. So, if you go into the App Store and then click on the search bar, you're going to search up NerdWallet, and it's going to be this first option here. Now, once you're here, you can either continue with Apple or Google or sign up with your email. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Apple. So it's going to prompt you to actually log in with your Apple ID. And so with this, you do need to add an authentication method. So we're going to choose SMS. We're going to enter in our phone number, then click on enable. Now, once you do so, it's going to send you a 6-digit code. Click on continue. And it's also going to give you a code, a recovery code that you need to go ahead and copy in case you lose your account. So right now this is blurred out, of course, but click on continue. And there you have it. You've now logged into NerdWallet. So from here, you can actually turn on Face ID, which we're going to go ahead and allow. Then it's going to ask you, how old are you? So we're just going to put 31. And then we're going to put how much do you want to invest? We'll do 100K. And then we're going to do household income. We're just going to enter a number here randomly. And then for this, we're just going to say build long-term wealth or choose whichever option best suits you. Click on continue. And then go ahead and enable notifications. And there you have it. You've now signed up for NerdWallet app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign up for the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.